stopping me in my boots. What's a country boy to do but say, smile me my chest up, you're downright dangerous. That shaking me giddy up, got my eyes going what? Sipping on this 7-7, never been this close to heaven. Got a pretty turned up to 11, dropping on dead on the dance floor. Somebody better call a doctor, she's a little hard stopper. I'm talking breaker, one-liner, she's a flatliner. Oh, she's a flatliner. Tell somebody,
Restart!
Dang girl, I'm done. I ain't never seen no one popping it like a cold one and drop it down like oh my, see the light. I don't mean the neon kind. One kiss from you tonight and send me on the other side. I'm sipping on this 7-7, never been this close to heaven. Got a pretty turned up to 11, dropping on dead on the dance floor. Somebody better call a doctor, she's a little hard stopper. I'm talking breaker, one-nighter, she's a flatliner. You stopping me in my boots. What's a country boy to do? What would Dirk do? Grab a guitar and go sing her song. And go play one of my songs? No, don't play one of yours, play one of mine, man. Yeah, sipping on this 7-7, never been this close to heaven. Got a pretty turned up to 11, dropping them dead on the dance floor. Somebody better call a doctor, she's a little hard stopper. I'm talking breaker, one-liner. She's a flatliner, sipping on this 7-7, never been this close to heaven. Got a pretty turned up to 11, dropping them dead on the dance floor. Somebody better call a doctor, she's a little hard stopper. I'm talking breaker, one-liner, she's a flatliner. Oh. She's a flatliner. Yeah, man, she's gonna hurt herself. Yes, she's a flatliner.
This dance is Flatliner, choreographed by Anne-Marie Dunn. It's a 32 count, 4-wall line dance. Center 1, starting with the right foot, sailor step, point right to side together, point left to side together, kick, stomp, stomp. Section 2, step forward, pivot a half left, step forward, pivot a half left, step right to side, down, up, clap, clap. Section 3, turn a quarter right, shuffle right, left, turn a quarter right, shuffle left, left, turn a quarter right, shuffle right, left, together, heel split. I'm now facing 9 o'clock. Last section, swivels to the right, heels, toes, heels, to the left, heels, toes, heels, 4 giddy up steps, right, left, right, left. I'm facing 9 o'clock, weights on my left, and I start over. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. In this dance there is a restart on wall 3 after 16 counts. So let me show you wall 3 facing 6 to start. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is the end of 16 counts on wall 3, and you restart the dance facing 6 o'clock with the sailor steps. And that's the whole dance.